Hello and welcome to Ayesha's Unique Cuisines. I hope you're all doing well. My name is Ayesha and this is my channel. So on this platform we cook cuisines around the world. So why not join the team? Subscribe to the channel, like, comment and share, and turn on your bell icon for notification. That way, anytime I upload a video, you'll be the first to get notified. Thank you. So today's recipe, we're gonna make some Moimoi recipe or Alele made from beans. But this recipe, as you know, on this platform, we're gonna put some twist to it. So this is gonna be a very diverse kind of Moimoi. So stay tuned, stay locked up, stay chilled up with your chocolate or your tea, latte, what have you. And stay tuned as I take you through the process. Like the video, don't forget to comment and share. Thank you. So we have our onions here, 2 large onions, white onions. You can use red onions, any onions of your choice. We have some carrot here. I have some yellow bell pepper, which is high in vitamin C. I have some celery here. Celery is really good. Apart from its fragrance, I really like it for the fragrance it gives to your dish. I have some salt here. I have some spring onions right from my garden. Having said that, I have a garden channel called Ayesha's Herbal Fruit and Vegetable Balcony Hunters. Please check it out. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on your bell icon for notification, comment, and share the video. So I have my all-purpose seasoning here. I have my herring powder or amane. I have some boiled egg, some mackerel, and just some garnishing. And the main ingredient for this, main ingredient is beans, peeled beans. So beans that has been thoroughly peeled. You can use the black-eyed beans basically that has been peeled, either using the hand or using the blender with the pulse, using the pulse method to remove the beans. So I have peeled beans here. I have 1 Scotch habanero or Scotch bonnet. So I'm going to incorporate in my onions. This is my onions, in it goes. Oh, this is splash. I'm gonna blend it, and as it reduces, I'm just gonna add on the rest of the ingredients, and I'm gonna thoroughly blend this. Yeah, so we are done with the blending. I'm just gonna add in the carrot. In goes the carrot. In goes the carrot. The celery. In goes the bell pepper. So guys, I'm gonna put the herring powder in there. This is the herring powder. Gonna mix everything in there. Gonna put our salt. Also our salt. Gonna incorporate in everything. Our pepper seasoning. Incorporating as much.
Ayesha's Unique Cuisines. Ayesha's Unique Cuisines. A place where your cooking is a cared for. Ayesha's Unique Cuisines. Ayesha's unique
You need to
cuisines,
keep
a
mixing.
place where
So
your
guys, we're gonna
cooking
add
is
a bit of
cared
cumin as well.
for.
Just a bit of cumin
Ayesha's
in
unique
here.
cuisines. You are what you eat. Eat well, live
Yeah.
well.
Put a bit of turmeric in here.
Ayesha's unique cuisines. Ayesha's unique cuisines. Come
In
on,
place of
Ayesha's
the palm
unique
oil, I'm
cuisines.
using
A
turmeric.
place where your cooking is cared for. Ayesha's unique cuisines. Come on, Ayesha's unique cuisines. A place where your cooking is cared for. Ayesha's unique
Yeah, so
cuisines. You
guys,
are
I'm just
what you
gonna
eat. Eat well, live well. Ayesha's unique cuisines. So this is a cooking platform whereby we cook
leave
cuisines
this
around the world.
once for now,
So if you like
and
eating
then do the
recipes
rest.
across the globe, then this channel is for you. And you can support it by subscribing, liking, commenting, and sharing. That way you too get to recommend my channel, and I also get to upload more videos. Thank you.
YouTube, yeah, no, yeah, but so. YouTube, yeah, YouTube, yeah, no, yeah, but so. Okay, so let's put some fish in here. And then some egg. So who's that making all that noise? So this here. And then I'm gonna put this on top. So we're gonna make one big one like this, and then we're gonna put in the oven. Meanwhile, we're gonna fill in this with water, and then we'll place our moimoi in there, cover it with foil, and then allow this to cook. So we're gonna put some leaves as well, and then see how that one does. You're gonna put this in the oven at approximately 160 degrees. We're gonna put in for an hour. So I'm gonna cover it with kitchen foil. As you can see, it's in a basin with hot water to facilitate the cooking process. Seal it well, and then we're just gonna pop this in the oven to do its thing. So guys, this is our moimoi. I hope you like it. Please give me a thumbs up for like. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to subscribe and share the video. Until then, it's a goodbye from Ayesha's Unique Cuisines. Bye.